guys.
Hi,
Hello, this is Susanna.
this is Doris.
And we're from Rolex Lashes.
Yeah,
And we are a very professional mink lashes wholesaler and manufacturer, and we're based in China. Okay, and we have the best quality mink lashes. We have our own factory, and we can also customize the lash boxes with your logo and your brand name. And also we do the product like the tweezers and the lash glue. Okay.
yeah, many products we can do. Welcome to our video. Today, we will introduce how to start your lash business. So what's the first step to start the business?
Okay, so if you like to start your lash business, the most important thing is you have to have lashes, right? And you have to find a very professional mink lash vendors as your
Supplier.
as your supplier. Okay, so you have to find a very good lash vendors with good quality and also with a good price. Okay, so there are actually two kinds of lash vendors. Like one kind is with a factory. Okay, like us, we have our own factory, and there are also one kind of lash vendors. They don't have their own factories, so they're basically a trade company. So they buy the lashes from the factory, and so they sell it. So
Yeah.
that means they get more. They have more higher price. Okay, and the quality may be not very good. But for the lash vendors like us, we have our own factory, so we have a very good price, and
Full inventory.
yeah, and also we have the best quality lashes. Okay, so for example, if you guys are going to start your lash business, you have to figure out if the lash vendors is a real vendor or they're just a trade company. Okay.
Yeah, so very important to do the first step well. Okay, now the first step is to that you should have your own brand name or logo. Um, some people who just started their new business, they don't know how to name their business. There are many types our customers did, such as something, the name of something you like, and plus the cosmetic in the last, and such as what beauty or make lashes by plus your own name, and such as some what means what lashes. So just to choose some names that you think are meaningful or sounds pretty. That's it.
Yeah, and yeah, actually it doesn't matter how you call it as long as it's meaningful. It's meaningful to you. Okay, so the next step is now we have the lashes and we have a brand name. So the next step is we have to customize the packagings for the mink lashes. Okay, so there are also some reasons why you have to get the custom boxes for your lashes and for your business. Okay, so first of all, with the lash boxes, okay, with the hard paper lash boxes, you can protect your lashes from the dust and any dirty stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
And any damage from outside.
Yeah. Okay. And also second, we can custom the mirrors inside the boxes. Okay. So when our customer buy your lashes, okay, and they can use the boxes to put their lashes on. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's also very useful. Okay. So the third is most of our customers, they will customize their social media information on the boxes. So it's also a very good advertising way. Okay, like for example, we can put your Instagram and or your Facebook and some other information like your website on the box. Okay, so when your customers buy it and they use your product, and they can also get more information of your business on the boxes also. So it's actually a very good advertising way. Okay.
Yeah, and good packaging box can help you attract more customers.
Yeah.
Catch the eye, yeah,
就行，爱就行。
yeah, catch
Catch
the
their eyes
yeah.
of the customers.
Yeah. Now let's discuss how to sell the products and who we should to sell to. As for promotion, I think online advertisement is a great way, such as promoting your brand through TikTok, through Instagram, through YouTube, these online social media apps. And
Yeah, and with these apps, you don't have to invest a lot of money, and you don't have to like pay rent for a store. Okay, so for those online apps, you only need to post some pictures of your product to attract some people, and they may become your potential customers. Okay, so it can save money, so you don't have to invest a lot if you want to start your own little business online.
yes, and you can also build your own website and promote the website link through many social media platforms. So it's very fun, it's very interesting. You can shoot videos, shoot pictures through these very interesting ways to advertise your brand, advertise your business. And also how to choose the customers you want to sell. The age of our customers are different. So if you want to attract more customers, you should mix different styles and lengths of the lashes and the different styles of the packaging boxes, so can help you attract more customers from different age. So most our customers choose to buy lash samples first, so they can figure out what styles are popular in the test, so can decide what styles of lashes need to buy more next time.
Yeah, that's why our MOQ for our lashes are only 30 pairs. Okay, and for the 30 pairs lashes, you can mix with different styles, and that's what our most new customers to start with. Yeah, so we offer a very low MOQ, so you can get some more styles, and the more options you have, the more customers you will attract.
Yes, we have lashes of many different types, such as long and dramatic, or short and natural. So whether you are a student or you are a worker, you can choose our lashes. It's fit for every position and every places.
Yeah, okay, so These basically are the information we're going to show you guys today in this video, like the few steps, like how you build your own brand and how to start your lash business, and also there are some things you need to pay attention when you choose the lash vendors. Okay, website is rolexlashes.com. Okay,
Yeah.
if you guys are like to get more information first, you can check our website to get more information. Okay,
Yes, and leave a message to us. And thanks for your watching. Thanks for your support. See you next time.
bye bye.
Bye.